Everybody knows I have a thing with shipping. Shipping was a breeze. A lot of times I order things and it takes forever and a day to get to me. That is not a good thing, because that just means I may not order from them again. Not with this company. I put in my order and I got this right away. I have a big mailbox. When I saw it, I was like, oh, let me open it up so I can see what it is. So yes, I did open it, but I did not go inside and pull anything out. I will open it up for you in just a second. Hey guys, my name is Alec and my daughter calls me Sunshine. This is a place where I'm free to be me on my soapbox. Today's video is a PR unboxing. I love receiving these things in the mail. So when I opened it up, that right there is the view that I got. All the items that I did order came from Tina's boutique, Trinity Fashion. Tina Delgado is also a YouTuber. Her channel focuses on makeup, skincare, beauty tips and tricks, and lifestyle vlogs. So go check her out. Tell her that Sunshine said, hey. I will make sure that I put all of Tina's information below in the description box. You guys know I can't see this because I don't have my glasses on, right? Let's get my glasses. Okay, that's much more like it. Now I can see. What I have here is the packaging slip with all of the products that I did order. It has my order number and my shipping date along with the products that I ordered and the quantity. And right here, I have a code that I can use next time I shop for 10% off. I don't want to share with you guys my code. No. You can get your code when you order too. Goodies. I love goodies. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Here's one of my goodies right here. Let's see. She has it packaged in there really good so it won't come out. All right, let's see. I believe that this is my lip gloss. I have some extra gifts in here. Some extra goodies. Oh, let's see. Oh, look at this. Okay. Pretty neat. I didn't open up the other one for you guys to see close up. Sample. Okay.
Oh! It smells so good. It smells like candy. Let me smell the other one.
This one smells like coconut. Ooh. Nice. Okay. All right. Now I do remember ordering this lip gloss.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. This smells like, almost like maple syrup. It makes me want to But I purposely didn't wear anything on my lips because I wanted to test it out, so. Let's see what we can get out of here. Oh my gosh, it smells so amazing. It feels really good on my lips. I believe it's called chocolate mousse. I gotta use my squint action. Yes, this is called chocolate mousse lip gloss. I've never put on a lip gloss. I just want to eat my own lips. There's not really a taste to it, but it smells
so delectable. Oh my goodness.
So let me get a little closer so you guys can see these lips. Love my lip glosses. My lip gloss is popping. Okay, let me keep moving right along. So I know I ordered 2 because I love my lashes. Oh, what? I'm so crazy about lashes. Oh my goodness. So I ordered another set of lashes. Now let's see. These lashes are called Baddie. And the other set of lashes these are called 𝐒𝐋𝐈𝐿. Yes, I'm gonna fly away with these lashes on.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
I'll make sure I put everything all together so you guys can see these wonderful items. Oh my goodness. And the last thing that I purchased, gotta save the best for last. Can't go wrong with a clutch. If this is not the cutest thing ever, my gosh, look at this. Yes. Oof. So you can open it up and it has a strap inside. So if I wanted to wear it on my shoulder, I could. Let's see. Show you guys what the inside looks like. I like this. Oh my goodness. So it has like a little change purse in the center, and then there's the zipper pocket on the side. So because it's so dark, you can kind of hardly not see this, but this is the coin purse in the center. And then you have the side pocket where I can just put my lip gloss in. It's enough room to put my cell phone in and a couple of goodies, my wallet. There is a heart on the back of this clutch. It is so super cute. And this is so soft. I don't know what type of material it is. Very soft. Put it right on underneath my arm and be on my way. Cannot go wrong with a clutch. I love this. Oh, let me put this back in here. I don't want to lose it. Oh, and I don't even think I showed this to you, but it zips. So some clutches you just open up and everything can just fall out. No, this one has a zipper. Beautiful. I love this. Let me zip it back. And it has that button. It's the snap button. You know what, guys? I'd love to stay in chat, but I've got to go test out all of my goodies. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's the little things, I'm telling you. It's the little things that get me so super excited. But go visit Tina Delgado's channel and also go visit Tina's boutique, Trinity Fashion. Again, I will leave all of the information below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.